Hello, in this video we'll use colors and styles in Pygame text rendering. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, we'll search for transparent text in Pygame. Hit find to see all the available code snippets, and we'll go with the third result as it matches our query. Now this use case requires Pygame library to function. So before proceeding, make sure that you have this library, if not get it from Kandi. Let's get back to our code now. Copy the code in a single click from here, go to the IDE and paste the code. Let's take a look at the code now. Here we are importing the necessary libraries. Then the Pygame module is initialized. In this part of the code, the game window, font and colors are defined. And this is where the text is rendered. And here the transparent surface is created. Let's run the code now. And you have used colors and styles in Pygame text rendering.